Hello everyone, welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. Normally for individuals, last date of tax filing for financial year ending on March 31st is July 31. In this video, we will discuss 5 methods to do tax filing before this date. The first is do it yourself, that is DIY. With government taking conscious efforts to simplify tax return process, this option is becoming increasingly common. You can file tax returns directly on the IT department's website. Filing income tax return on this website can be done in two ways, partially online and fully online. In partial method, you need to download the relevant ITR form from the website and save it on your laptop. Fill up the form offline using IT department's Java utility software and generate a XML file and save it on your laptop. Then register and create user ID and password by providing your PAN on the website. Once you have created the account, log in and upload the return and submit. In second method, that is fully online, there is no need to download or upload any file. It just involves logging in with your user ID and password to this website. Select the ITR form applicable to you, fill the required details. Once you have filled all the information, submit the form. Software is very user friendly. A brief description about each column is also available. In both processes, you will get an acknowledgement on successful submission. You have to verify your return by sending the acknowledgement to IT department or e-verify using Aadhaar or bank account. We will discuss both these ways in detail in our upcoming videos. There is a physical return filing option as well, but only for taxpayer with taxable income less than rupees 5 lakhs or for senior citizens, where you can download form from income tax website, fill it and submit to the respective income tax office which has your address's jurisdiction. Second way to file tax is through tax return preparers, also known as TRPs. Those who find it difficult to understand and file their returns can take help of these TRPs. They are different from CAs which we use. TRPs are directly appointed by Income Tax Department to assist income tax assessees in preparing and filing their returns correctly. They are the professionally trained individuals by Income Tax Department who can come to your doorstep and assist you in filing your income tax return. This scheme is basically launched to help small and marginal taxpayers with the objective to increase taxpayers in the system. You can locate a TRP in your area through the website www.trpscheme.com. Just enter the required information, state, city and pin code, and a list of registered TRPs in your locality will be displayed along with their TRP ID, name, address and contact details. They are paid commission for each return filed based on the amount of tax you pay. TRPs are paid directly by Income Tax Department. They receive 3% of the tax paid on the returns prepared and filed for every new income tax payer in the first year, 2% for second year and 1% for third year. From fourth year onward, they are being paid flat rupees 250. Maximum amount a TRP can charge you as an income tax payer is rupees 250. So just taking an example, if you are going to file your income tax return for first time and your tax liability is rupees 10,000, then TRP will be paid 3% of this rupees 10,000, that is 300 rupees by Income Tax Department. Similarly, it will be rupees 200 if you are filing return for second time and so on. Make sure you have the TRP's details such as identification number, name and counter signature on the ITR form while submitting. Third way to file tax returns is through chartered accountants. Chartered accountants have traditionally been most sought after by taxpayers for filing their tax returns. In case of simple cases where an individual has only salary as source of income, it is easier to do it yourself and one does not need any expert advice. But where tax complicity and multiple sources of income and deductions are concerned, you will need to consult a chartered accountant. CA fees vary depending on income source and complexity of returns. Usually for simple returns, CA charges between rupees 500 and 1000 in cities like Delhi or Mumbai. And of course, more the complexity, higher the fees. Fourth way is through e-filing websites. Apart from e-filing directly from income tax website, there are number of intermediaries who provide online e-filing services as well. This is an upcoming and fast growing way of filing income tax returns, majorly due to their simplicity and transparent cost structure. There are different packages and plans that these portals offer depending upon the number of income sources covered, income level and type of assistance you need. You can also file a simple return on your own for free on most of these websites. Here is the list of few popular ones collated by Business Standard recently and their respective feature guide. Most of these websites have very user-friendly software. They just need you to follow a few instructions and fill your return. In some cases, you just need to upload your Form 16 on the portal and software does the rest for you. It picks the relevant details and fills the form on your behalf. Many also offer assisted plans where a chartered accountant is assigned to you after certain fees is paid. You can then upload your documents, CA contacts you and prepares your return. Finally, the CA e-files the income tax return after your review. Live chat and call support through income tax return e-filing process is also provided. They also provide support for submission of physical acknowledgement as well as detailed guidance on how to e-verify your income tax return. In most of the platforms, a business owner can also generate tax deduction at source, that is TDS. Individuals can check refund status. If you have received an income tax notice, you can also use their consultation services and know how you should proceed further. If there is a mistake, you can also file a revised returns on these portals. Definitely an option worth exploring, which provides you with very informative and intuitive software and easy access to experts at known cost. Fifth way is to file returns through e-filing apps. If you are a salaried individual, besides online portals, you also have the option of filing tax returns through mobile apps. Though very new method, it is becoming popular among young taxpayers. All the online tax filing portals try to offer simplified customer interface when they offer these apps. Here is a list of few popular ones collated by Mint newspaper last year. The user interface is simpler, making it easier for individuals to understand and navigate on the app. Most of the apps are restricted to ITR1 or Sahaj form only. For filing complex returns, you will need to go to their websites. Currently, cost of filing on this app is mostly free, so definitely an interesting and simple option for filing returns, especially if you are a new taxpayer. That is all we have on this topic. If you have any question, please do write in the comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Have a great time ahead.